Ever wondered why it's paramount to prepare your roof for the winter season? Just like a hat keeps your head warm, your roof acts as a crucial barrier, protecting your home from harsh winter elements. Today, we dive into the process of preparing your roof for winter in a step-by-step manner. Firstly, the process begins with a thorough inspection. Check for any visible signs of damage like missing or cracked shingles, rusted flashing, or other potential weak points. These issues, if left unresolved, can lead to water leaks and structural damage when snow and ice pile up. Secondly, it's time to clean those gutters. Gutters clogged with leaves, twigs, and other debris can cause water to back up and freeze, leading to what we call ice dams. These ice dams can cause serious damage to both your roof and the interior of your home. Next, trim any overhanging tree branches. Ice, snow, and wind can cause branches to break and fall, potentially damaging your roof or, worse, causing a safety hazard. The fourth step is to insulate your attic. A well-insulated attic prevents warm air from escaping through the roof, which can lead to ice dams. Plus, it has the added benefit of making your home more energy efficient. Last but not least, consider installing a water and ice shield, especially if you live in an area prone to heavy snowfall. This protective barrier can prevent water from seeping into your home caused by melting snow and ice. In the end, preparing your roof for winter is all about preventing potential damage and ensuring the safety and comfort of your home. It involves inspecting your roof for any signs of damage, cleaning your gutters, trimming overhanging tree branches, insulating your attic, and considering the installation of a water and ice shield. Remember, a well-prepared roof not only withstands the harsh winter weather, but also extends the lifespan of your roof and saves you from potential costly repairs. So, take these steps today and give your roof the care it deserves. After all, it's not just a roof, it's the crown that protects your castle.